here. We've been here all day. Little cleaning, you know, cleaned up. The floors, like to mop the floors. It gets really dusty, believe it or not. Got the trans outside. You know, I hit it with the Import Works. The degreaser. It's normally green, but I added a little, you know, to spicing it up. So let that sit on there for about 5 to 10. Got the damn car out here, wet sanding her.
Can't believe it or not.
Wet sanding. This is a great idea because now you can use the hose. Outside, had her going for a little bit, and I'll play a short little clip here. I'm sure if you guys been watching and paying attention, he is Nismo bits. Nismo bits. You guys see it. It's full Nismo. It's a great car. This is a great car. I unfortunately need to move on. I do anything with this car anymore. I dailied it for like a summer, I think. And I think someone's really gonna enjoy it. So if you guys wanna learn more, go to my Sweet Steaks Facebook page down below, or if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you wanna learn more about it, definitely go check that out. Brand new Kansai wheels. It's got the big brakes, the Akebono big brakes all around. Brand new Kansai wheels. There's an exhaust on it. I don't know the exhaust off of the top of my head. We got carbon duck bills. See? It's a solid car. Clean title. 68,000 miles. Go check it out. You'd be silly not to. I'd enter if I could, but I can't. $100 to your driveway, believe it or not. It could be there. It could be yours. Don't sleep on it. I'm telling you. But Djnoway is gonna bless us with his presence because today he's putting in his cage that he just got freshly powder coated. So it should be fun. And Brian's coming. We might play pool later too. You want to go play pool? The cue ball, get it in the hole. Continue to degrease this. Get a good look at it here. Take a good look at it. This thing's dusted. Maybe just paint the whole thing black. We like black around here. You know why?
Why?
It's not because of that reason. We're not in a cult or anything. It don't get dirty. You can't get black dirty. Hides it well. The bubbles all together. I gotta put the bolts there, but it looks good. If you guys missed it, I painted it and I put it all together. I didn't paint it. Put it together though. Wish it was wide bodied, but it looks spectacular to say the least. That's bad. Soak. Ant's doing booster things. It was so corroded and rough. That's going on. Update. Are you guys laughing? You guys talking about me?
Oh, we were.
You talking shit to me, bro?
Shut up. Get out of here.
Ant's painting his booster. Nothing exciting there.
Hear about it.
Telling me secrets like I want your secrets.
It'll be good.
Where's the shit
What
you got?
What shit?
That shit.
The rust trap.
Uh-huh. Don't worry about it. Give me $1, I'll tell you. Give me $1.
Don't be shaking them down. Just give us the stuff.
Right.
Bottom?
Maybe. You know, DJ makes us pay for things we shouldn't have to pay for.
Yeah.
And
All my supplies.
He doesn't pay me for my work.
Shop sleeve. Do they have those?
Every single one of them is.
Everybody shop is slave labor camps. Machinists?
You got it?
They're getting bent over nowadays, I hear too, Brian. Machinists?
Who told you that? Djnoway?
Now join the cage life. Here we
No.
Yeah. I show. Now we got the same cage. His is a little different because you could remove that X bar, half an X bar. What's that called? Because it's not an X, so structural bar. It got bolts in it. You could take it out, and the harness bar does come out as well. Same as mine. See, mine are just welded. My bar used to go the other way, but I have a right-hand drive, so I had to cut it off and weld it to the other side. All right, so moments later, the cage is in, the rear seats are going back in. We might have a surprise guest visitor, Mike G. Mike G might be stopping by.
No, he can't.
The cage is in. If you guys...
He can't stop by.
If you guys have any of these cages installed in your car, let me know, because me and Djnoway need to know. What do you do to have the rear panels fit? Cut them in half. Do you slit them just for the pipe, the piece? I don't know, let us know. There's not really too much information on those forums because this is tight right here, so they might have to get cut in half.
Maybe just buy delete panels.
They sell this?
Yeah, I might just buy them.
Now Djnoway will be nice and safe with his new cage in here, so he could roll this thing as many times as he wants, and he'll be nice and safe. Think about that, Djnoway. Probably better.
You said it. Now I'm gonna die in a fiery car accident.
Hey, now you drive with a fire extinguisher in your car, or no?
It's on the floor, you idiot.
Okay, do you think I'm gonna watch my car burn to the ground in front of me?
You got it, Djnoway, or you don't?
It's right here. This little thing. What's this thing putting out? This thing won't put out a sparkler, Djnoway. This little fire extinguisher. I know, pulling the little pin out of it. Fire's 20 feet tall. Ricky, what do you, is that extinguisher, will that put out?
10?
What?
Shallow 10.
Okay, if this car catches on fire, is that extinguisher gonna do much?
Probably not. But it's like I said, it's the thought that matters.
It's the car that matters, and
I'll tell you that.
a lot of people's car that catch on fire, they probably said the same thing.
They got Mickey Mouse fucking cars. They don't tighten up fucking fuel lines probably.
Oh boy.
Probably gonna have to.
Yeah, candy camera. You do that with such confidence.
Except for the
Clip. Who this?
It's gonna take a fucking lifetime. That's the next thing I want.
You need to make the hole squared.
Yeah.
Oh my. Scratched it.
Nah, that's fine.
See the hole. Let me see the clip. Show me the clip. Look at square clip.
Dude, a square hole is not a new thing.
Look at that. Look at that hole.
Alright, we gotta touch it up.
Primer.
So it doesn't rust.
little dab.
That takes 24 hours to dry.
Don't worry about it. Stick the clip right in.
Sticky these tires are. Kid Rock's embedded in it. Look how soft that compound is. This is so I could take corners at 110.
Ooh, the front bumper's on.
It's all on. Oh, Savannah, new to the vlog. New character unlocked.
Hi. Say hi. Clapping.
She does not like it. There she goes.
Clapping. That's it.
Put it all back together. What? The wing mic?
Looks like a bow tie.
Really? Type
I
R.
like the other wing better.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, and painted sides.
Painted skirts, painted
They don't look as
bumper.
bad as I thought they would.
No.
I like
Oh,
black
because you
better.
wanted black. I said I was gonna send you a picture of them color matched.
I actually do like a colored match.
Right? Baby. Like in GTA. What up, man? Table.
We're fucked.
What? Weightless? Yeah. No pool tonight. All right, so we were supposed to go play pool, but things didn't work out. The time limit was crazy for the table, so we are back at the shop, and currently the wheels are off of my 13. Because Djnoway is trying to figure out how to fit these panels in the back of the car, so I will contribute to try to help to make these damn things fit. That's a crazy angle. That's got to be so uncomfortable. This car in like 2017, long time ago. A ratchet, wrench. Djnoway is determined to get these.
I need the other part.
To get these.
You grabbed the camera before you even helped me.
We're determined to get these rear pieces to fit. So the hole was drilled, hopefully to the right measurements. We are about to see here momentarily if they will fit.
Gotta clean this before, because this ain't gonna fit in there.
Oh yeah.
We gotta clean this first. Powder coated this is, they did a real poor job, and they should just quit their fucking job.
Okay, so after many hours, and I'm not exaggerating, many hours, hole saws, we have grinders, we have wood, but this is the hole. If it has a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch gap between the pipe for the cage, we'll be completely fine. Versus cutting it in half.
It's weird because like you see like the hole and you think it's big, but when this panel's in there,
and once the pipe is in there,
the bar is at such a weird angle. It's like you can't just do like we tried doing one hole, impossible. The hole lined up, but then up it's touching up here. It's just real dumb.
Son, I've been dreading for a while, and since now Djnoway has a cage, and we could do this together, which is really sick, and get those panels back in.
We gotta do this all over again.
What?
We gotta do this all over again.
No, but we're just making like the blueprint, so like it'll be easier for when we do it. What?
On my panels.
What do you mean?
Those are my panels.
Yeah, correct.
I'm gonna put them in the car and then you're on your own.
Alright, so I'm super nervous about this. We're taking my panels now currently.
You have me on film.
What?
You have me on film.
What's
I
up?
didn't realize. Alex.
No, don't jump down. Oh my god. This is terrible. You know, things couldn't be worse right now.
Jump, bitch, jump.
Things could not be worse. We are gonna take my panels.
Absolutely poor condition.
I think one thing go from bad to worse.
I'd rather go fucking dirty.
Alright, so we're about to take my virgin panels and drill them, which I've been dreading. Djnoway's was the guinea pig.
Guys, we're here on DJ fucking Fly. It's us. We're cool and shit. Yo, join my Facebook group. Don't fucking sleep on that shit.
Follow the Facebook group. Don't sleep. You guys can win a Z for $100. A little bigger, Djnoway. I ain't afraid to ream that hole out a little bit.
This is 2 sizes bigger.
Okay. Gonna shoot in the dark?
No, right here. Hole, dumbass.
Going once, going twice.
I'm good. I work for the government.
Can I have
You
that
work,
purple-
baby?
Can I have that pink and purple bike?
What?
I want that pink and purple one.
That's mine. No.
Get the silver Sharpie and the
Please.
Oh boy, the roof is gonna collapse. Been that much weight on the roof before. Oh my god! Did she get stuck in the ceiling?
fucking car drag, pushing back up where she came from.
What?
Where's the sex doll? What's her name?
No, don't fuck this up.
I don't care, it's not mine.
What do we call that?
R&D.
R&D, that's it.
Research and fucking development. I couldn't even find a video of somebody putting one in.
No.
Nothing.
They don't even run them. It's just bare bones. Just cage, no carpet.
That's it, yeah.
We're not about that. We like street cars that are very functional. What do you want?
I just want a lighter.
Oh my, $1.
Get your own light.
$1, $1. So we're gonna drill this thing right now, and then I'll show you guys how it fits. Don't even look at that. That's gonna confuse you if you look at that.
No.
No, I'm not doing it.
Don't jump. Oh my god.
I'm a little fucking quiet.
Don't jump.
Do you know if they want
Shut the fuck up.
All right, we got a pilot hole so far. This is crazy.
It's either gonna work or it's not. No going back.
There is no going back.
Hog it out.
All right, let's try it. Fuck it. All right, so we got this panel to fit in pretty damn good. I'm happy with that hole. I mean, it's not going to be perfect because we have to maneuver it. so the hole has to be bigger than the pipe itself. Time to drill that side. Girl's hurting my head so bad, kid.
Brother, shit in my hands and clap. Maybe leave it like that, little snowman, Coke man, little Coke man guy.
Literally, this was an all-night ordeal, but have an idea of where they needed to be cut, and they needed to be reamed like this in order to get them in. I am more than okay with. It's much better than not having this piece in at all, which I never had since I put the cage in the car.
I don't think you could fit that in if the holes are any tighter.
No.
It was almost impossible to get it in.
Like that. Down here, line up, nice. You can see the ground right there through that hole. But these, the 3 bolt holes, should be interesting to get in. We didn't put the bolts in yet, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. It's late as hell. It's almost 3 a.m. so we'll pick back up on this tomorrow. Those girls left, which is good. It's on fire. Next day, seeing media. That's him.
We went in a bad way.
No, he didn't. They better get that
Go
under
down this
control. We're not gonna be able to get up to it.
That sticks so bad.
We are back next day. Same video. I do gotta say, this stuff, I understand the hype. It's good. Hydration, tastes like a little icy. You know that thing with the polar bear? Oh. It's very potent. It's here painting his booster. He loves painting stuff. Trim black. You've seen it once, you've seen it a bunch. Djnoway's making more ashtrays for his Etsy store, so I'll put that in the description as well. And cage buttoning up time. Bolts. Cleaning up, drilling. It's all in. The holes aren't bad. Me and Djnoway were here at 5 a.m. Until 5 a.m. just messing around. And for not being able to see very straight, I think the holes came out phenomenal. This is as tight as you're gonna get them, people. That's it. It's better than slitting it and cutting it in half, like I said. House fire, that was crazy. All right, rear seats back in. It looks much better. It's a little dusty, but we're good. The wheels back on it. Then just throw the seats in her and we'll be good. I've been putting that off for so long. Huge shout out to Djnoway. Do them together, you know? We do it together. No, noon 1:30. In between. Johnny blessed us with this little buffer here. Got to get Ben down here. Turn this room black, if you know what I mean. It's gonna make a mess. You got to get a suit, I think, for this thing. Turn the wheel. It's gonna fling the stuff out of the car.
Huh? No, it's not.
It's gonna. My white walls.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Where's the pads you got down there? Maybe you got the...
Below me.
Yeah, maybe it's got the little...
And Ant's stupid little box of tricks. This is now the polishing room. And maybe the paint room. We should paint up here too. Johnny though. Johnny. Little parts. We got a whole transmission here. We probably should move that. Yeah, so as I said at the beginning of the video, if you want your chance to enter the Z, it's live. Click the Facebook tab. Join the group. All of the details will be down there. Click the link. I'll see you guys in the next one.